Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see here, have your URL here, and then if I head down here to see your H1 tag is actually a phone number. So if you go to your website, you'll see it's found right here. And that's fine. It could be here, could be up here. You really want it to be the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. And basically, this H1 tag is telling Google that your site's about a phone number, which obviously it's not. So that needs to be changed right away. And then the other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. The metadata is when you do a Google search. I went ahead and did one for Sonoma County Landscaping. It's all these blue lines. They're the metadata. So you can see that the top guy is talking about Sonoma County Landscaping, and that's why they're at the top. When we pull yours, you're really not found anywhere in Google for Sonoma County Landscaping. And right now your title tag is Bowman and Son Landscaping, Sonoma County Hardscape Landscaping. So if you were to Google that, I bet you would be at the top spot because that's what Google thinks you're about. And here you'd want to reinforce what you're about, and then again in the header tag as well. And your header tag has a phone number, so it's not reinforcing. So basically, people when they are Googling for Sonoma County Landscaper, they're not going to Google Bowman and Son, right? Because they don't know to Google that. They're going to Google Sonoma County Landscaper, Sonoma County Landscape Architect, Sonoma Landscapers near me, a similar keyword like that. So those are just a couple things I wanted to help you see. Just these small little changes will really help your rank. And then also if you're in Google and you want to check your rank, I wouldn't Google your keywords here because a lot of companies will do that and then they'll keep looking for themselves. And as the weeks go by, Google starts moving you up because they already see what you're looking for. Instead, you always want to use a third-party tool. We go ahead and use Rank Tracker. If you want, you can get a free subscription for a month, but anyway, you don't have to either. But basically this, I put in your URL here and then you add your keywords and it'll pull your ranking and it'll check it every single day. So I have you basically, I put in your actual company name just to show you that you're ranking #1 for that. But again, nobody's going to Google that because nobody knows to Google that when they're looking for a landscaper. And then you can see other keywords. You're really not ranking anywhere here. Here you're at the bottom of page 5, here page 9. If you go ahead and change your H1 and your metadata based on whatever your main keyword is, you'll really start ranking super fast. And then let me know if you need any help. I could also help you fix your website. It's a nice looking website. I feel like maybe it could have some help. Maybe you could definitely add more content to it to help build trust with Google to rank it higher as well. And basically, let me help you get you ranked on the first page of Google, because really that will significantly increase your income because that's where 90% of traffic is. Most people just don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I know I definitely don't. So if you have any questions, just reply to this email and let's get you on the first page of Google and get that phone ringing off the hook. Thank you so much, and I wish you lots of success.